Hi, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Omar.
And welcome back to BNN. There's a track meet this Thursday. Go support your Fighter Bear cats.
There's a pre-IO for band.
You still have time to get your yearbooks. The deadline is April 7th.
Now it's time for Cooking with Omar, your favorite foods made easy by Omar Talidi.
Welcome to Cooking with Omar, and today we're making potato cakes. First, you're going to need to wrap 2 potatoes and then wash them. I've already washed mine. Then, you're going to grab a pot. Then, fill your pot up with water. Then, once you've got your stove on, you're going to put your potatoes in the pan. I called it a pan, didn't I? Oh my! While your potatoes are boiling, you're going to grab some onion and cut it up. Then cut your onions up into billions and billions of pieces. Then we're going to grab a pan. Then we're going to pour a little bit of olive oil. Once you take your potatoes out, you will peel them. Grab your diced onions and put it in the pan. Some salt. Then mash your potatoes up. Pour your onions onto your potatoes. Pues. Yum.
Today we are interviewing the yearbook staff. How much are the yearbooks?
$32.
When is the deadline to order your yearbook?
April 7th.
Why should students purchase a yearbook?
So you can look back on the yearbook and, look at yourself. I don't know.
So you can have our lovely creation in your home.
You should purchase a yearbook for memories.
Purchase it so you can look back on your middle school days.
You should get it so you can look at your friends' yearbook photos and their baby photos.
Yeah, those are all good reasons to buy your yearbook. That's the end of our interview.
That's all BNN has for today.
Hope to see you next week.
Don't forget the big 3.
Respect,
Responsibility,
and safety.
Don't snooze on the news.